Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to delete a Roblox account permanently. Now you need to know that there are two main methods in order to delete your account. The first one is to deactivate it. So this process is reversible, so you can reactivate the account again. But let's say that you want to delete it permanently. I will show you both methods. First, you'll have to go and click on the gear icon on the top right side, then go and click on settings. Once you go to the settings menu, here you should see a section called privacy and content restrictions. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, click on account deactivation and deletion. Then you should go and click on deactivate. It will show here this message. Deactivate will deactivate your account, and this process is reversible. Okay, now let's say that you do not want to deactivate it and you want to permanently delete it. What you're going to do is to go back to the settings, go and click on the cogwheel icon, then go and choose help and safety, then go and click on help center. Now it will redirect you to this page. Simply search here for delete, and here you should select this option. How do I deactivate or delete my account? Simply click on it. And once you click on it, here you can see this page. So you just need to scroll down till you find here the section account deletion and go and click on support form. Click on this blue word right here. Once you click on it here, you'll have to provide the username, first name, the email address, and confirm your email address. Then here you should type the device type. Then here in the subcategory or the category type, you should choose I want to delete my account. Then go and choose in the subcategory I want to delete my account and tell them exactly here in this box why do you want to delete your account or what is the problem with your account, and describe your case. And after that, hit the continue, and they will permanently delete your account, or they will email you on the email that you have actually typed right here. And after that, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.